Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda TRX250X. This sport quad just arrived in very great condition, priced to sell for just $54.99. This is a shaft drive quad with sport shift transmission. No chain to mess with or lubricate because it's shaft drive. Come on by and pick up this beautiful TRX 250X for $54.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.